We are looking at class 10 chapter 6 information representation method HTML2 solution. Let us see some examination questions on HTML, specifically the table and the image. First is write the HTML code to generate the following output. So you have to generate this output. We have a title, e-commerce. We have here in maroon some content, e-commerce. Then this is the paragraph, left align. This is the image, right align. This is a table. This is about table you have to write. This is a table 2 by 2. It's 2 row, 2 column. These are the table content. Then we have some more content in red. These are 4 links, and this is an unordered link, this list. So you have to see these points. Link color is in green, active link color is blue, and visited link color is red. This we have to follow. Title of the page is e-commerce, as we have just seen. The color of the heading of the page is maroon. The image used is e-commerce.jpg. You can use any image which is corresponding to this. Caption of the table is blue. The background of table is cyan. Table border is blue and size is 2. There are 4 links, 1, 2, 3, 4, and link heading is in red. I hope you follow all this. So we are just going to make this page. In the title you have to start HTML. In the head you have to give the title. Title give e-commerce. Title will come. Let us start the body. Body, the link is green, the A link is blue, the V link is red. Visited link, the link, and not visited, all these color we have to give. Then we start with H1 because the e-commerce was in H1 heading. We have to align its center. Font color is given as maroon. This font you end, H1 end. Then image source is you can take any image. We have taken e-commerce.jpg. Align it to right. Height is 30%, width is 35%. Then the content should be written in the paragraph. Align it left. This is the content. So till here we have a content. Give a break. Then we start with the table. Table. The background color given is cyan. Border is 2. Border color is blue. Align is center. Self spacing is 5. You give a caption because on the table you just saw something above it. That was the caption. So give the caption. Close it. Then start the table. TR. The table data first, table data second. Then again table row second means second row, the data of the second row. Close the table. Now the paragraph content, again this e-commerce can be broken into 4 main categories. Now we start the unordered list. List, this is first list, second list, third list, fourth list. This list we have anchor, that is the href, which is 1.html. This is the thing which you will see on the web page. Similarly, all these 4. Close the unordered list, the web page is created. Explain the command ahref is equal to wild.html. So whenever you click here for wild animal, this content will come on the web page. Whenever you click this, you will be redirected to this HTML page. So this command will open the wild.html web page in the browser when you click this link. What do you understand by v-link? V-link means the link which has been visited. So the v-link attribute allows you to set the color of the visited link on the web page. So this visited link are hyperlinks basically that have been clicked or may be visited by the user. May have been. Why is linking between web page required? Explain with an example. See, you know that web page is nothing but in web servers a folder is there. So we may have 1 web page, 100 web page, 1000 web page. How to link these web pages? This is only possible. Means how to relate those. This is only possible with the linking, hyperlinking. So links are required to connect one page to another. When a user clicks a link, he or she may be redirected to the web page specified by the destination web page for the link. So this is a code which shows that we have say HTML page which have an anchor tag which is saying test.html. When you click this click here, then you will be directed to this test.html. Let us see test.html. This is test.html. We have done nothing. We just customary things, body and some image we have given. So when you click here, the second page will open. That is, this is the test.html will open. This is how we hyperlink the page. We link the or navigate through the web pages of a website. How can image be inserted in a web page? So this is how we insert. We give img, then src, source is the complete path of the image in double quotes, then we give height, then we give width, you can give it in percentage also, then you give alt if you want. These are all optional, alternate name. So HTML, you can insert an image by using img tag. In this img tag there is an attribute called src which contains the URL of an image that you want to insert. Consider this HTML. href is equal to hash intro, and inside this you have introduction. So what is the purpose of hash? Hash means you will not be going to any other page, but you will be this link will take you somewhere inside this page. Hash means that what will happen when the user clicks introduction? Whenever introduction is clicked, it will take you to some or the other section of this web page. So this hash symbol is used to tell the web browser that this link is in the same web page, and when you click introduction, you are redirected to the section page intro in the web page, wherever it is. Expand the following tags. OL is ordered list, B is for bold, HR for horizontal rule, IMG for image. So OL stands for ordered list. This OL tag is used to create an ordered list, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, like this. B stands for bold, so this B tag is used to apply the bold style to the selected text. HR is for a line, 3D line. Stands for horizontal rule. This HR tag is used to create a horizontal rule or a line in a web page. IMG stands for image. This tag is used to insert image in the web page. This code is written to align the image in the center of the browser window. However, desired result is not achieved. For this, we have left, bottom, right, all these. So this will not be done. In HTML, we have 5 types of alignment that are available to align on an image. That can be top, bottom, middle, left, right. So therefore you will not be able to achieve this result from center. So if you want to align an image, you need to use the center tag here. You can use center tag here and the center tag here. So these were few questions asked in examination on the table and image. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.